nice to cooperate with such wonderful people, and I always like smart people, and if they're successful, that's even better. Just a few more words about the song, and actually the song you chose is really the best. It's, I think, smart decision. Why? Because first of all, lyrics are not that important. You can listen to a song in a foreign language you don't know, and you can still like it. So most of the people don't care about the lyrics, but those who do, and that become from community, you may get, their approval. They say, you see, they support us. So, and no one thinks that you're that kind, of course not. If definitely not you. I mean, it was a joke.